Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I am Da Oliveira, and today I brought you another idea for bracelets and macrame. Look, these are braided bracelets with different amounts of threads and also different thicknesses. Even though it's the same braid, look at the cool effect it creates. I will show you step by step how I did it and what the difference was from one to another. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to receive new videos every week, and this way you also support the channel. Shall we move on to the step by step? To start, I will use a 70 centimeter thread. This here is a 1 millimeter silk thread. Fold it in half, see. So I'm going to leave about 4 fingers worth, and I'll tie a knot. It's roughly equivalent to 10 centimeters, which is the end I'll leave over to later make the adjustable closure. This knot here is just to mark it. It's not necessary to make. It's just to know where I'm going to start the braiding. After that, you can undo it, okay? I'm holding it here on the board. Now, I'm going to use 3 threads, each 60 centimeters long, the same thread. And since this thread is already colored, it gives a really cool effect to the bracelet. I will pass the 3 threads underneath the base thread here until I see what came loose. I will go over it again here. Then I will place it exactly in the middle. I will center the 3 threads here, leaving them in the middle. Now just lift them up and arrange them nicely, well separated like this. See, one next to the other, to make it easier when braiding. I will open the threads. That will be the base threads of the bracelet, leaving them slightly open. And I will start with the first thread. Look. The thread from above, I will take its tip and pass it under the base thread on the right. Now I'm going to take the thread from the right side, the same thread, and I'm going to pass it underneath, but look, from the other thread on the left side of the base, crossing over. I will do the same thing with the second thread. I will pass it under the right thread, and I will take it from the right side, and I will cross it under the left one. Oh, always in the opposite direction from each other. It will make an X inside the base. Oh. The third thread, the same thing. I go underneath, and I come here, and I pass to the left. She crossed the 3. Look, now just adjust them well, and bring the threads up to the knot. See. Now I will do it one more time. Look, the thread on the left comes here, goes to the right underneath. The other end of the thread will go to the left side underneath. The second thread comes to the right. And the other end goes underneath to the left. See how it crosses inside here at the base? And again with the third thread, one to each side. Then just adjust all 3 at once, see? Pull them up there. It's really easy to make this one, you see, and quick too. Again, always start with the first one at the top. Go from left to right, then take the one on the right and bring it to the left. Always passing underneath the 2 from left to right, and the thread from right to left. And the last thread, the same thing, to the right, and now to the left. And always remember to adjust it well to keep the stitches tight, as it looks nicer. Otherwise it ends up being a bit loose, a bit slack, so just keep making it and tightening it. I just finished making it. Look, it turned out to be about 12.5 centimeters. Now I will finish it. Here for you to follow along. Look, I will make one more before I finish. I will leave it at about 13 centimeters. I make the thread. Here now to the left, and the last. One comes to the right, and then to the left. Then it's just a matter of adjusting it well. Look how beautiful this colorful one looks. Now I'm going to take it off the board to finish the bracelet. Look how I'm going to do it at the very end. Let me show you the measurement it turned out to be. Look, 13 centimeters. I'm going to do the following look. Now, I'm going to take the top thread first, and I'm going to make the basic knot of macrame. Oh, I will pass the thread on the right over the base and the one on the left underneath and through, adjusting it well. Tighten it well so the little points don't come loose. And now, with the other thread, I will do it in the opposite direction. I start from the left and pull, then just tighten it well. Look. So, cut the excess thread and burn the ends. And you notice that this is another bracelet, right? That first one I made, colorful, which I recorded the video for, I finished it, but I didn't really like how it turned out. So I made another one, and I'm showing you this one, which turned out better. It looks nicer here at the end. For that one, I used 3 threads to braid, and for this one here, I only used 2. It also turned out really nice, but it gives a different effect. It is a little bit thinner. So you have the option to use 3 threads or to use 2 threads like this one here. It depends on your preference, okay? Here at the end, if there are 3 threads, just do the same thing, finishing with the basic knot of macrame, 1 thread at a time. And then you just cut the excess and burn it to seal. Look at how it turned out. Now I am going to make the adjustable clasp. I will cut the ends here to even them out. I will open the bracelet that I had not cut yet. Look, now just burn the tip and I will put a bead here. On the colorful 3-thread bracelet, I placed a star. On this one, I will put a ball. I will put a 6mm ball here. There is this one. I will fit it in here. Then just tie a knot at the end, like this. So, now I will put it here on the other side. This part is also optional. You can use a bead or something, or just the knot itself. It's up to your taste. I will tie it here. Then you have to pull it to make it hang nicely at the ends. And now I will make the adjustable clasp. For the adjustable clasp, you will need 20 centimeters of thread, the same thread used for the bracelet. Then just place it in the middle, tie a simple knot, and I will make the basic stitch of macrame. I already have a video here on the channel explaining the exact step-by-step for the adjustable clasp, and there are 3 clasp options for you to make. I will put the link here if you want to watch it. The video, okay. It's very easy to make, and then you can choose what you prefer. Now just cut the excess. Burn the tip as well. Like this, on the other side. And the bracelet is ready. Just look how beautiful it turned out. Look here. I will show you the others as well that I made for you to see. This one here I made with a 2mm thread, and the other one with 3 threads. Look how cool. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.